In the quiet village of Sundarpur lived a humble farmer named Raghav. Raghav had inherited the barren patch of land from his father, and for years it refused to yield more than a few sacks of grain. But he never gave up. With Bholu and Nandu by his side, he plowed the fields through scorching summers and muddy monsoons.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can create long videos using Grok. And whatever is shown in this video, you can do the same in your mobile device as well. So you would need ChatGPT and Grok. First of all, open up ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a short story. So we will be using this short story and create a longer video using this story. So after getting this story, simply copy this and paste it. Then after giving some space, simply use this prompt, which is give image prompt for every scene of this story. Make sure that every image is connected to each other, and we want it in comic style. So just add this style as well and hit enter. After that, ChatGPT will provide you scene by scene prompt for each and every image. Now simply open up Grok, but make sure that you are opening up Grok on the browser. Even if you are using mobile device, simply use Grok on the browser and turn to desktop mode, because you would be getting higher quality videos on browser. And to save the credits of your Grok, simply do this one thing. Open up the settings of Grok, select the behavior option over here and scroll down. Right over here, you would be able to find this option of enable automatic video generation. Simply turn this off and get back. Now select the option of imagine, and over here just click right beside video and select the option of image, and also select the aspect ratio to longer video, or the image in our case. Then just open up ChatGPT again and copy the first prompt. Then open up Grok and paste the prompt and hit enter. It will provide you different options to choose from. Simply select any of the option that you like and convert it into a video. And after your video is ready, simply select the three dots over here and click on this option of upscale video. This will increase the quality of your video, so simply select it and let it upscale. And after it is upscaled, simply download it. Now after that, just simply open up the video that you just downloaded and play it. And play it till the very end, and select the last part of this video and take the screenshot of this. Now after closing that up, simply switch it to video, and after that just simply attach the screenshot that we just took. And now get back to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. Paste the second prompt on Grok and hit enter. Now this will create a continuous video, and if you don't like it, you can just simply click on redo again. And this one looks better than the earlier one, and it is quite smooth as well. So we will just simply upscale it like the earlier one. And after that, just simply download it. Now repeat the same process and screenshot the last part of this video in order to get a smoother next part. After that, just upload the screenshot, and now get back to ChatGPT, copy the third prompt and paste it on Grok and hit enter. Now this looks great and quite good. Now we can simply upscale it before downloading it, and repeat the same process. Just get till the very end and take a screenshot. Upload the screenshot, get on ChatGPT, copy the prompt 4 and head back to Grok. Paste the prompt and start the video generation. And this is how you would have to repeat this process again and again until the story gets over. And after that, you would be able to generate a great storyline along with continuous video or the long video. Now this looks great. We can upscale it and then download it. We need to repeat the same process again. Just get back to the last frames before taking this screenshot. Upload the screenshot on Grok, and after that get back to ChatGPT, copy the last prompt and get back to Grok. Paste the prompt and hit enter. This doesn't look that great. We need to redo it. Also, in case if you face any problem while generating these videos, make sure that there is no spelling mistake in the prompt. Otherwise, it won't generate any video. Nah, this one doesn't look great either. We can redo again. This one is perfect, so we will just simply upscale it before downloading it. Now for the voiceover, you can simply open up Google and search for AI Studio of Google. Click on Get Started. And over here, you would be able to find this option of text to speech with Gemini. Simply select it. Select single speaker audio. You can select different voices from here. After that, copy this story and open up Google AI Studio. Paste the text. Then click on Run. While it is doing the voiceover for us, open up any video editor of your choice where you can combine all this stuff together that we just created right now, the videos and the voiceover, and you can also add background music to make the story look even better, and you can also add some sound to it if you want to. So here we got the voiceover. Now we can simply download it. And here we got all of it. Now we can put it all together to form this story and in a better way. And we can also increase or decrease the speed if you want to, so it will look even better. Like slow-mos will be there to decrease the speed to match according to the voiceover. But just look at the continuity of these videos. They look quite smooth and quite good. Like, just look at it. This is quite smooth. You won't even know whether the scene is changing or not. This is how smooth it is. So this way you would be able to create longer videos using Grok and the trick that was shown in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.